Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone so alerts can arrive reliably. First, check your iPhone model and update iOS if needed. This ensures compatibility with government alerts. Once done, make sure notifications and location services are enabled because alerts use location to target messages. Next, sign into your Apple ID and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular. Otherwise, the alert may not download. Now open Settings and get ready to navigate to notifications. This is the first actionable area to change. You're now enabling the alerts themselves. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, then scroll all the way down to Government Alerts. You'll see Amber Alerts listed. Turn Amber Alerts on so you receive those broadcasts, and while here also enable Emergency Alerts and Public Safety Alerts for broader coverage. If a toggle is grayed out, make sure screen time restrictions aren't blocking changes. Once you've enabled them, give the phone a quick restart to lock in the settings and clear any temporary issues. Finish by verifying settings and knowing how to troubleshoot. After a regional test or when an actual alert occurs, check your notification history to confirm receipt. This verifies the path worked. If you don't get alerts, make sure Do Not Disturb, focus modes, and silence unknown callers aren't blocking them, because some focus setups mute notifications. If problems persist, restart the phone again, confirm carrier support for alerts, and contact your wireless carrier or local emergency management to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.